Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Lexus Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be working with the Nadula hair. They sent over this pre-plucked 6x5 pre-cut transparent lace closure wig that is a breathable wig cap. So in the back we got some lashes, we got an elastic band, we got another one of these brushes that I have been using from the previous video, so I'm glad that I got one of those, and we also got some wig caps. So like I said, this hair is in the and we also got a crochet needle. So like I said, this hair is already cut, pre-lace closure, and the knots are already plucked, y'all. This looks like a natural hairline. This has no glue. We're not going to use any glue today. The hair is so soft. It has a breathable cap, and it's perfect for the summer so that your hair can breathe and that you won't be hot. Usually most caps have a cap inside. Most wigs have a cap inside, but this does not have a cap. This is a breathable wig cap with an elastic band that you can use to tighten the wig to your liking. These knots were so tiny, the hair was so soft and so beautiful, and we're going to work with this wig on today. So this is what the hair looked like after I finished washing it and blow drying it and air drying it. This is what the wig felt like and looked like. I was super excited to put this wig on with this elastic band and to feel how this wig feels without the cap on the inside. So right now I'm just taking my makeup. This is my powder foundation that I use on my face, and I'm putting it on the lace to kind of blend it in with my skin to make it look as natural as possible. Right here I'm just adjusting the elastic band that's on the wig to make it fit on my head, and it was still kind of tight, but as you can see the lace looks really good, so I just took that off to adjust it as far as I could, and when I put it back on, the lace was perfect for me. It was more tight, so we love that. We love an adjustable wig strap band. So I just part the hair and pull it as much as I want to make the part more visible. Right here I'm just preparing for my baby hairs. I really didn't know if I wanted to do any because this wig was so natural. I don't know who plucked this hairline, but they did that, okay? Because I didn't even want to make baby hairs because the hairline, the wig, the lace, it just looked so natural, so flawless. But I went ahead and did it just to see how it would look, and actually it came out really, really well. So right now I'm just cutting the hair, and I'm going to use some Got To Be glue to lay these down. But I'm also going to make sure that this is like a glueless install, or that it can be glueless, because like I said, we want to wear this wig during the hot summers, and because this wig is a breathable wig cap, we want to make sure that we're able to just make it a real flawless and glueless install so that we can breathe during the summer, y'all. I'm not really a big fan of doing like dramatic baby hairs, but for some reason these baby hairs did me so well. I absolutely love it, and as me, you know, even talking and doing the voiceover right now, these baby hairs really did the job with helping this wig look as natural as possible. They look so realistic, they look so pretty, and so I'm kind of glad I went ahead and did the baby hair. So right now I'm just taking some This is my contour powder from Juvia's Place, and I'm putting that on the lace to kind of blend it in and make it look more natural than it actually already does. And this is going to help the lace blend into my skin some more so that we don't even have to do any type of glue process, but this is going to make the lace blend into my skin to make it look even more natural. So that's what I'm doing right here. So right here, I'm just showing you all how this lace and this wig can be glueless. I'm putting my comb through, up, in, and out this wig so that y'all can see that this wig can be a glueless wig. You can achieve a glueless install with this wig, y'all. I know you see my comb going through the lace and how it's just laying back down perfectly. So we love that. This wig is breathable, like I said, and it can definitely be a glueless install if that's what you're looking for this summer. So right now I'm just preparing my hair to put some curls in it. I plugged up my flat iron and my hot comb to prepare this wig to be laid and slayed, but I decided to lay this hair down with some EBIN lace spray. I'm gonna just put a little bit on there. I'm not gonna do the whole, application process that I would usually do, because I just wanted to see what this lace would look like if I was to spray it down. So I just sprayed a little bit on there, and I'm blow drying that to kind of blend it into my skin and help the lace melt into my skin. And I'm using the back of my comb to help me with that process, and I'm going to show you all the difference from this being sprayed down to it being a glueless lace on the other side. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray the other side down just so that I can see what this lace and this wig would look like if I were to spray it down and not wear it as a glueless install. Right here, I'm just taking some alcohol and putting on a Q-tip to kind of clean up the areas where the got to be glued and the spray kind of spread it too far down. And y'all, this lace is giving. I know y'all can see how good this lace is melting into my skin, and I'm super excited that they were able to pre-pluck this lace because the knots, the hair looks amazing, and I didn't even have to do any plucking to this wig. So to style the hair, I'm just adding some more of that wax stick to help the hair lay down some more, and then I'm going in with my flat iron to give this wig some loose curls. The hair was already like kind of layered, which was cool because I didn't really have to cut any layers in the hair myself, and I loved how the hair laid when I finished it at the end. But this first curl was too tight for me, so I went ahead and kind of loosened the curl up some more by grabbing some more hair to make it thicker when I curl it, and it's going to come out the way that I wanted to at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair and then come back to you guys when it's over so that y'all can see how the hair is going to look after it's all curled, and then we're going to end the video, y'all. This hair curled so beautifully, and it was even more easier for me to hot comb this hair and lay it down so that it could be flat, so that we could have a flat install. The hair is so soft. This is perfect for anybody that is starting to go into the wig business. Girl, if you are starting out with wearing wigs, this is a great beginner and friendly wig to just try to figure out how you want to style your hair and wear your hair. This is a very this wig is perfect for on the go because you don't have to do that much to it. It's a very natural wig. It doesn't have like a lot of hair, but it's very natural and pretty. It's easy to curl, so it's very beginner friendly. So if you're looking for something to wear in the summertime that is breathable and that you don't have to do that much maintenance. This wig is for you. Love how this application process came out. This wig was so easy to install. I really appreciate Nadula Hair for sending over this wig. I love that the hair was already pre-plucked and that the lace was already pre-cut, because it just made the application process so much easier. The links to this hair and the Nadula website will be in the description box down below. This hair is so easy to install. It is 150% density, so if you like the natural wig with not much hair, not much maintenance, this wig is for you. The links to this hair will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and check that out. Hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed applying this wig for you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel for more videos coming soon if you want to check your girl out. And I'll talk to y'all later. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Bye.